Today I'm showing you how to measure windows for replacement glass. I've managed to break the outer pane of this double glazed unit. So I'm going to show you how we measure up for a replacement unit without taking the old one out first. After all, it might take you several days to get hold of a replacement, and you don't want an empty window that anyone can climb through. First thing you need to know is which side of the frame is the glass loaded from. To do that, look for the split line where the beading that holds the glass in meets the frame. On the other side, you'll find that this is just a single flat piece of plastic. Measure across the width of the glass from split line to split line, 565 in this case, and the height from split line to split line, 630 in this case. Now take 10 millimeters off each dimension. That gives us 620 by 555. How do we measure the thickness? It's very important that we get the thickness right. You can get a special measuring tool called a caliper, but what if you haven't got one of those? And for the sake of one piece of glass, you don't need to buy one. They're £20 or thereabouts. For this exercise, you'll need a straight edge and a rule. You'll need to make sure that it's a rule where 0 is at one end. With the window open, place your straight edge on the inside or outside surface, and with your rule, measure the total thickness, which in this instance is 58. Place your straight edge across the corner of the glass from frame to frame. Place your rule on one side of your straight edge, rest it on the glass and read this dimension here, in this instance 15. Do exactly the same on the inside, in this instance 19. And now a little bit of maths. 58 minus 19 minus 15 equals 24. The glass is 24 millimeters thick. So the dimensions to give to your glass supplier in this instance are 620 by 555 by 24. If you got value from this video, consider supporting the channel if it helps you save some money by doing things yourself. And if you want to jump straight to how to replace the glass, click on this card here, and I shall see you next time.